Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss the topic, how do I go live on TikTok? So open TikTok on your device, and then at the bottom center of your screen you see here plus sign, and here you should scroll through the options at the bottom until you reach live, and then add a title for your live that will describe your stream, and then the optional thing, but you can also do that, you can choose your cover image of your live, and also you can apply some filters and effects if you want to. And once everything is set, press the go live button to start basically your live. But also there are some requirements if you want to go live on TikTok, and the first one is that if you want to receive gifts and go live, you should be at least 18 years old. That's very important. And another thing is that your account needs to have at least 1,000 followers to access the live feature. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.